Hello guys, for today's video, maripak kita pasas o raisins. Alam nyo ba kung magkano ang kita ko dito? Abangan. Ayan na guys, bilangin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 2, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Oh, 66 lahat yan guys. Ayan guys. Yung capital po nito guys is 750 yung isang box na pasas. So 66, ibenta po natin siya ng 20 pesos each isang pack. Kaya yung kinita ko po dito is 570. Oh, di ba? Kayo baka gusto niyo magtinda ng pasas. Oh, di ba? Yan lang guys. Thank you.